Okay, welcome. Today we have to evaluate log base 3 root 32 of 324. So let's take 324 is what? 324 we can write as 324. It can separate as 2 into 162, and 162 can separate 2 into 81. Then 81 we can write as 9 into 9. So that means you have 18 into 18 is 324. Why we take 18 into 18? Because we can have different type of combinations here, no? Because if you get the square root of 3 root 3 squared, what happened? It is 9 into 2. So it is 18 again. So therefore, that is the reason of write the 324 as 18 into 18. So what we do? We write log base 3 root 32 of 324 as 18 into 18 or the 18 squared. So it is 2 log 3 root 3 18. Or we can write as log base 3 to root 3. Instead of 18 into 18, we can write 3 root 3 to the power 4. So what happened here? Now again you have to write log 3 root 3 to of 3 root 2 square. Using the log rules, you can write 4 log 3 root 3 root 3. So what is this? This is 1. So we get 4 as answer. And if you follow this method, here also when you use in log rules, it is 3 root 3 root 3. Again this is 1. So we get 4. The difficult part of analyzing the question is the how you write the 324. So here we used the log rule of log base a to a r equal r log base a to a. We all know this is 1. So I hope you will understand the question and the answer. So we'll meet from a next video. Thank you.